This is Jen from Spokane Public Library again, and today we're going to do a little bit follow-up on the previous episode on seed selection. One thing I want to emphasize is that really there is nothing wrong with hybrid seeds. If your goal is not to collect seeds, there is absolutely nothing wrong. Hybrids yields a very good crop. The only reason I went for all heirloom is because I'm after the seeds this year. If you are a beginner gardener, I in fact would highly encourage you to start with a year, at least 1 year, try it with hybrids because they usually yield a very good bumper crop. Okay, now one thing though, you do have to remember that hybrid seeds for next year, if you do collect them, they usually do not come true to form. They usually take on the characteristics of one of their parents and not even a desirable one. And sometimes they don't yield anything at all. So if you are going with hybrid, no, the goal is for the produce this year only, not for next year's seeds. Okay? Now, another thing I want to clarify is unless you see something that says both organic here and heirloom here, both of them here, that you know for sure the seeds coming out of this crop will be good next year. If you don't see the heirloom here and you just see organic here, that means this also could be a hybrid. And again, the same problem will persist next year. The seeds will not be true to form next year. Okay. Now you might have questions regarding hybrids and GMO seeds and what are the difference. Okay. Now, as we have said previously, hybrids are cross-pollination of two same species, two different varieties within the same species. So you take one cucumber and you cross-pollinate that with a different kind of cucumber and you make a third kind of cucumber, but they are still cucumber. This is all done manually with men's intervention, but it is still a very natural process. So, GMO on the other hand is a complete different story. GMOs are man-made. Okay, the GMO plants, the plant's gene is spliced with genes from another species, a different species, for whatever desired traits that scientists are looking for, be it disease resistance, drought tolerance, high endurance for herbicide, pesticide, and what is this gene from what is this species? We don't usually know because it is usually proprietary information. So if you see a corn, a GMO corn, that means this corn carries genes from another species. So what are they? We don't know. But fortunately, as a backyard gardener, we don't have to worry a whole lot about that yet because I have not seen GMO seeds hitting small seed stores yet. GMO seeds are usually supplied through large corporations at this time to huge commercial farmers growing sugar beets, corn, soybeans, alfalfa, huge crops, commercial crops like that. So rest assured, as a backyard gardener, we don't worry about that at this time. So until next time, happy gardening.